It's May, but not sunny, so I thought I'll make another video. Today this video is going to focus on you and things that we do to help you, the patient, here at the office to make things convenient and easy. Two things that we do on the hygiene side is we offer the Sonicare toothbrushes here at our office and Waterpiks. You can purchase those here. We do not upcharge them. We sell them to you for what we pay for them. The reason we sell them is because we believe in them and we want you to have easy access to them. Can you go buy them online or at a store? Sure, that's great. If you can get a good deal, please do. But if you just want to purchase them while you're here, we have those. Another thing that we recently rolled out is our membership plan, and this is for patients that don't have insurance. They can enroll in this, and it's a way to decrease your cost with us or just have transparency with your cost with us, so you know exactly what you're walking into, exactly what your fees will be, and it also allows you to have control of your treatment. Sometimes with insurance dictates that, and this allows you to have that unrestricted access to the correct care and proper care. So we have that. When you're here next, you can ask our friend about that as well. So these are just some things that we've incorporated here. We also have for hygiene here a lot of days, so we can do multiple appointments at once for families. So you can bring if you have a lot of kids, you can schedule them all at once. One appointment, one thing to remember, one event in your calendar. There's things that we try to do to make things easy for you. If there's something you think we should focus on, let us know. Leave a comment. Thanks.